Beautiful people, welcome to it, man. And yes, ngoku siphake enzanzobileni yenkqubo where we get to basiyiqukumbele, but before siyiqukumbele, we cannot basinishiye nje kanjalo after sisinipromisile uba we do have a fashion designer right here on the studio with us, and I am talking to Umara of Ibita Designs. Beautiful people, please help me welcome him onto the hangout. Buddha, welcome to the hangout. How are you today?
All right.
Diapila now. Man, you're looking fantastic. You're looking to the T. Let's get to talk about you. We know that you are someone who is into music and also into fashion. And I must say, your fashion is fashioning. Let's get to talk about you and also when about Umbali for people at home about Magazigat.
Okay, igama nguMasiqole ifana ukugwebana. Umara kuvele xa kuthunda noma uzadlala isoka.
Along the way. Yeah.
Kwakho umfana kuthiwa nguMaradona kudala ke so kwasasuka apho yabo. And ke xa useyilandela ke ngoku igama lithi Mara xa ulandela eBhayibhileni uthethwa nguNawo noRuth kuthiwa hayi wenze inhliziyo yami yarharha Mara means bitter. So igama leBitter livele from
Oh, lovely stuff. And also let's get to talk about it, man. You are someone who has a song abantu mostly bayaziyo and you were like, you know what, and just focus onto fashion. Let's get to talk about your journey within music and also your journey bringing you to the fashion side as well.
I think umculo kum ne-fashion okokuzihamba kunye. Uqale i-fashion qala but ke because fashion ihambelana nomculo I think ukhula kwami qala khulisa imali endodla yonke senilapha imali endodla kakhulu. Ndandithanda ke uchitha izinto bona xa usokola iqomba mama uyayibawa into ethile ayigase niyichithe yenze i-character so iqale ngolo hlobo umculo ke ngoku usponsor i-fashion kwathi kudala so uqala kwami ke ndiqale nge-jeans ndichitha ijini lesisigeti ndichitha ijini so ijini ke ndiphinde ndabuyela kuyo kungona ke ngoku abantu beqala u-appreciate nobona uba iyakhula le umculo ke abandazi ngala ngomakhomdo wam nto apho akholomane yayinkulu kakhulu. Yeah, and I represent it by Yakwazo OFK, Ostudel 1000, ubhekela pha. I-fashion going kwazi lozalo la Dumak. Amaxhosa used to be group yam. I'm talking to TV. Say you have now.
Yeah. This is beautiful, man. And also, let's get to talk about your designs. You have a different style when you're using a denim. And let's get to talk about it. Where do you get to draw inspiration? Yeah, you can also get to draw in Lela that you get to design your clothing.
Okay, I think in 17 years, man, 18 since in the one. I've been around Joburg, songs and hours, Cape Town. Inspiration is I always say as much again as Chomisam, Nakamanya band, there was party lab, the same fabric, Yakazuzan and different. So you let your mind, because I'm an artist is a man, and then about they starting to appreciate Ubaye Lum for by Bona Zamil Wemva, the Watata and then Zavasisab. Then I came up with the Zambe. So show up and Pete Islam. Kwakubanda kusasa yazi kwada sopha yajikiwe kwada yashusha endiyacinga ba hey man ayikho indlela noma izislamba ngosisi qokelelane sibe yinto nje ngoyiphatha because qala izophinda kubanda so I always came ngizama by all means and then I came up with a slim jacket. Yeah.
Lovely stuff, man. And also let's get to talk about in terms of having to keep a business still alive and also having to keep on bringing new ideas because your type of business, your business, let's say you will buy a shop and buy a similar design and a difference to your designs, is different to the ones that we get from the shops. Let's get to talk about that and also you having to make sure that you are sticking to the image and are influenced by whatever is going around.
I think land is passion. I know kwenza land. I know kwenza nemali. I know kwenza land because you ngaba nemali needs of work sasinganayo. So I know kwenza la land. If you drive yakho unayo and uyayibona lento. If ungakhi uyibona nje seyigqikiwe. Sebeyithetha imali ibona bene double store ndondondondon. But when ubona la picture okay igqibekile lento. So for me fashion and music uthi ngobuza ukhethe between fashion and music ndisikhenqaka because music lena imamela qho kanti xa ngithunga no xa ngithunga na xa ndisenza ingoma I can see what le ngoma izawuhamba njani with fashion So for me it always balance indaba lona. For many years keeping up loo nto ebhayi hey struggle. Struggle nangoku because abantu starting to appreciate abantu bangaphandle like eJoburg ne-orders eJoburg, Cape Town, Durban, London, because bona abantu abanxiba izinto sizinxibayo ezi-labels ke zaziwazi khulu bafuna ukunxiba into unique, so ndingenabo kuloo kona ke iyakhula ke ngolo hlobo.
Lovely stuff, man. And also, let's get to talk about now you having to be grounded, because we know that there's a lot of influencers, there's a lot of people that come up to you, but man, so you better way so that you can try to accommodate Lena in market. There's something that most designers about where they lose groundedness, they lose a reason as to why they actually started this thing. So let's get to talk about you having to being grounded within a business, and being grounded within a vision on nayo for your business.
Bendisendinathi imali endodla le ndikhuliswa ngumakhulu. I think first love yam le yoqala, and seeing yena ethatha imali yakhe yokugqibela investor kum to make sure le nto iyenzeka. Every time they forget, every day ndiyacinga uba noba ndisebenza kokoko every day like I'm coming up with something entsha kokoko every day, because I know le nto uba iyaphi. And xa idla ngodlula phaa kum umntu oyaziyo othanda uyena phaa kum uyodingisa kum uzawudlula phaa kum atsho naxa ithetha athi lo mntana lona ndakho imali am endodla for le nto. So laa nto ndenza uba every time bahumble, yabo ndiyazi uba le nto ndiyenzayo andiyenzeli le nto ndiyenza to inspire abanye abantu abazayo, like because le nto ndiyithetha uladoma used to follow me around ngelaa xesha ndisathunga safunda eLosenbram, yabo abesibe nee-meetings ngelaa nto athi yena xa ndiphuma mna ndiyothenga ilapho yena iphuma esikolweni athi bhuti ndiyacela mani ndiyacela uba xa uphuma mna esikolweni usikulindani. We used to share ideas ke ndiyazi nosister wakhe uthina ke yabo umaxhosa ke angaqali ke lo umaxhosa yabo. So
this is beautiful because you guys brought something different in the market, because his brand is different from the rest, and also Niyako brand is different from what we get to find in shops on a daily basis. And also you've got a beautiful concept as well, which you know wow, shushu, and you were like, Zastine Islam now. It's good to talk about this beautiful innovation, Yako, and in terms of Abandu Bagay Manajani, and let's get to see it.
Okay.
As well.
Le to sling jacket. We are in back. So yakwazi noyisusa lento. Yabo lento isusa yonke le. Ebona mos. And then lento iyafumaneka ngalandela uMara Peter. Ane ku TikTok na uMara Peter na ku Facebook. Inumber ke zayibiza. Call me sisi sitaba nayo ngoku kaba ungena inumber similar kule yam.
Is it? Oh, okay.
And then go 073 267 3213. That's okay.
Lovely stuff. And then we are in Njiba. Even this link back just now. And then now say jacket. Lovely stuff. And also let's get to talk about in terms of pricing, Yako, because to most people they would ask about money ingalo nomlenze. And so let's get to talk about your pricings, and we do know that it designs as do not come cheap. So let's get to talk about that as well.
I process yenza lento kwayona awudlali asesilamakisi.
Oh, nice.
Then unazo ke if uthanda ibag nazi nemingxomo yakho ba ungafaka impokotho zakho yabo ziyavuleka yabo. So i-price mna ixhomekeka kumuntu ufuna ntoni, because we customize yonke into according to kule ndlela ifuna ngayo. Maybe ungayithanda le design indlela eyenziwe ngayo, but we don't like ilapho, okanye awulithandi le paint yabo ixhomekeka pha. That's why nsithi umuntu ungafika dibana nami kula number, la number isebenza nabo WhatsApp yabo. So into nje uyakwazi uyibuyisela ke ibe right xa sokwazi uyibuyisela.
And it's also warm because nase winter singena winter kalongoku, so asuzugodola kakhulu, you still cheek, you still looking fire, and you still bomb. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. And also let's get to talk about in terms of Abantu website, Wizili number, and also social media. Do you have any sort of things like that?
The website is still building because yaqala pick up ngoku. Yayazi nozaseBhayi ziba slow qala now focus eBhayi funds ba okay, let me again phuma eBhayi ke ndiyotsha ngaphandle then uqala bona pha ke ngoku then iwebsite iyaza wena imara ilona Peter Designs .co.za siyabuilda loo nto leyo and then i-pricing ke ngonenye into sizayifaka phaa.
Lovely stuff, Phuthwami. Thank you so much, man. This is beautiful. I want to put it, guys, but I don't know because I am out of time. You know what? Next time you guys are going to see me on social media. But for joining us right here on the Hangout and also tuning in on channel 260. Me and my team, we are going to fold our hands. Please make sure that you guys are safe and also please take care. So, remember 3:30 we live.